lifting, holding, and burping a baby. Before lifting and holding the baby, clean hands with alcohol-based hand rub or soap and water. Lifting and holding the baby. Cradle hold. In cradle hold, make sure that you provide support on their neck, back, and head, and also one of your hands at their bottom. A lap hold. Sit in a chair with your feet firmly on the ground and place your baby in your lap. Their head should be at your knees, face up, and your baby's feet should be tucked in at your waist. Hip hold. Face your baby outward and make her sleep on your hip bones. You should wrap your hand around her waist and baby will be able to look around. Burping the baby. In burping the baby, make sure that you use a burping cloth to manage the mess. Burping the baby using the shoulder hold. Sit upright or stand and hold your baby against your chest. Your baby's chin should rest on your shoulders. Gently tap or wrap the back of the baby to help him out. Burping the baby by facing down on your lap. Hold your baby sitting up in your lap or across your knee and support the baby's chest and head with one hand by cradling your baby's chin in the palm of your hand. Gently tap the back or rub to help him out. Burping your baby by sitting up. Assist your baby in a sitting up position. Support the neck and the head, and then gently pat the back or rub it off to help him burp.